Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from WearView, and today in this video, I'll teach you how you can take photographs of your clothes without Mannequin. And now I know how important it is to take pictures of your, clothes, of your dress, of your garments for your website or your store. There are some ideas that I have that I can share with you if you're doing everything from your home, maybe, or you're a small time business owner, whatever the reason may be. And I know hiring a professional photographer as well as a videographer for your product photography is a really time-consuming process, as well as it is really, really expensive. So in this video, I have a few tricks that you can just go ahead and use. Well, basically what you can do is if you have those clothes or if you have those dresses at your home, what you can do, you can lay them on the ground and then take pictures, which might look something like this. Or what you can do, you can just hang them behind your door and then click pictures. Or there is another, option for you. What you can do is just create DIY cardboard frame. Put your dress in between or at the center and click the photo, and then use it on your website or on your store. These options are fine. What about another option? You have those image, or you have that image that you click maybe with your phone or with your camera, and then what if you could transform that image into a professional model wearing it, something like this? That's interesting, right? You would be interested, and of course your customers would love it, and also they would just go ahead and start ordering the dress right away because that's an amazing model wearing it. And in this video I'll be teaching you just that. You can just create some amazing looking pictures just like that under 5 minutes, and that's what we'll be showing you today in this video, because this is Victor from WearView, and we really work hard to bring all these features or all these functions to you in a very easiest way possible. You will learn that in today's video, how easy it is to create such images. First, what I want you to do is just go to wearview.co and then go ahead and log in or sign up to your account. Once you do that, click on the Try It Now button, which is at the center. Once you click on it, you will land to this page which says, what do you want to create today? Here you will see all the features and all the services that we at WearView, we work really hard to bring you here. I'll bring all these features here, which is AI Try-On Studio, AI Product Model, AI Fashion Video. We have AI model creation, AI ghost mannequin, AI pose control, AI consistent models, and AI model swap. So if you are interested in creating your professional model wearing your dress, then let's choose AI product to model toggle. Once you click on it, you will have to select your products. We'll click on add image, and then we'll select the image that we have right now. This is the image that I shot behind my door. It's a hoodie, so I'll just choose it. I'll select to it. And then I have another image that of a trouser, of a pant that I just shot when it was lying on the floor. So I'll just select that. I'll click on open. If you have shoes as well as hats or shades, you can go ahead and add them here as well. If you want to know what all garments or what all dresses or what all clothes you can use here, just click on see what works. Once you click here, you will see what all dresses it supports. It supports t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, skirts, and stuff like that. It also explains clearly what works and also mistakes that you should avoid. And below that, you have some good examples of the way you should choose the images that you upload here. Basically choose simpler images, just avoid cluttered images, because we all love simplicity. So once you are done uploading your images right here, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you have to drop in your model. If you have a model image, then click on the choose file and then select your model. But if you don't have a model, which is totally fine and which is totally amazing, what you can do is just click on the My Models button and then go to model library. We have a lot of great and really beautiful female models right here. These are all AI models, but just look at the level of detail that we have over here. You can select from a woman as well as a man. But for this video, I will choose a model that I just created myself. So yes, you can also create your very own AI model. Just click on create AI model, and then there are a few steps that you have to follow. I have explained that in my previous videos, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. But for this video, like I said, I'll click on my models and then choose my model. So for this video, I will choose Bob, as he is a really no, let's not choose Bob. For this video, let's choose Benji right here. He is a really great Asian guy. I really like this result. I really like this AI model. So what we'll do, we'll just click on select this model. Once we click on that, the next thing that we have to do is click on the next button. Big brains. We'll click on the next button, and now we will have to describe your model and setting. This is an optional feature, but if you want, you can also go ahead and describe the pose of your model. Maybe, for example, it says female model with brown hair standing confidently in a bright studio, soft, even lighting, full body shot. You can go ahead and type in something like that. If you want some ideas, just go ahead and click on prompt ideas or prompt tips. These are the things that you should follow or it will work, and these are the common mistakes that you should avoid. If you want, we have also got you some pre-made prompts that you can just go ahead and copy and paste it over there. But by any chance you are not happy with the prompt that you just wrote or that we have here, you can just go ahead and click on the enhance button, and then the AI will do its magic to enhance the prompt that you just wrote. And also we support multilingual description, so that is something very nice. But for this video, what I'll do, I'll just keep it blank and then choose the quality of the image that we want. For the best quality possible for your personal website and stores, 4K is hands down the best option. But for this video, I'll choose 2K. It is also great, but I won't suggest you to go with HD. The quality won't be that good. And in online business, the better your quality, the higher the chances of you getting the sale. So we'll choose 2K. For a number of images, you can choose one. That will be the fastest generation, but for this video, let's choose 4. It will say up to 4 unique variation per generation. Next, you have to select the aspect ratio that you want. Maybe you want a square aspect ratio or you want a vertical one. But for this video, I'll choose default, and then finally click on the generate button. Now this says it will take around 3 minutes, but no, realistically it will take around 30 to 40 seconds. So while I wait, I'll get something to drink and I'll resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, the image has been generated successfully. These images were taken at my home. I took the image of this hoodie behind my door, and I took the image of this pants at my floor, and this is how it just turned out. This is Benji. He's wearing our hoodie as well as the trouser as well as the pants. It just looks so natural. Can you just say it is made by AI? I don't think so. It is that good. By any chance, if you want to alter the image a bit, maybe you want to flip the image horizontally, you can do that right here. Or maybe you want to change some really like delicate things from the image. Maybe you want to change the way his hands are posing, or maybe you don't like the some details about it. But for me, I'm not able to answer it because I really like the way it is, but for some reason you don't like something in the image, just click on the refine button and go ahead and type in your prompt. Maybe you want the smooth fabric wrinkles, or maybe you want clean white background, or maybe you want to remove background distractions, enhance color, sharpen fabric texture and stuff like that. Your imagination is the limit here, but for me, I really love the images that WearView has generated. Now what I'll do, I'll just download these images quickly and I'll just upload these images onto my very own store and let the ball rolling and let those customers do the buying. Well, that's pretty much it. That's how easily you can create images that you took from your phone or maybe your camera and then create such a professional images, and that's how you photograph clothes without a mannequin. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. This is here Victor from WearView. Do subscribe to the channel and also like this video, and please let me know in the comment box down below what is the best feature, or if you have any improvements, or if you have any ideas, please let us know in the comment box down below. We would love to reply to you guys. Well, that's pretty much it. This is Victor, like I said, signing out, and I'll see you in the next video.